welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the shipment profitability report based on invoice in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Job Report Accounts menu under the Accounts module. On this page, we have to click the Shipment Profitability Report based on Invoice menu. On the Shipment Profitability based on Invoice date page, we have to fill the required details. Then we have to click the Submit button. Now we can view the shipment profitability details. If you want to download this report, just click the Options menu. Then we have to click the Download button to download this report. This is how to generate the shipment profitability report based on invoice in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.